Basic audio editing. Basic audio editing in Adobe Premiere Pro is crucial for making your video sound professional and engaging. Even simple adjustments can make a huge difference. Here's a breakdown of the most fundamental audio editing tasks. Core principles of good audio. Listen critically before doing anything. Listen to your audio carefully. What sounds good? What's distracting? Is it too loud, too quiet, or inconsistent? Prioritize dialogue. If your video has speaking, ensure the dialogue is clear and easily understandable. It should generally be the loudest element. Balance levels. Make sure all audio elements, dialogue, music, sound effects are balanced, so no one element overpowers another. Smooth transitions. Avoid abrupt audio changes. Use fades to create smooth entrances and exits for your sound. 2. Basic audio editing in Premiere Pro. Adjusting volume clip level on the timeline. The easiest way. On each audio clip, you'll see a thin horizontal line, the volume level line. Click and drag this line up to increase volume, and down to decrease it. You can also expand your audio track height, drag the line between two tracks to see the waveform more clearly, and make more precise adjustments. Audio gain G shortcut. Select one or more audio clips on the timeline. Press G on your keyboard or right-click the clip and choose audio gain. In the audio gain dialog box, you can enter a specific decibel dB value to increase positive number or decrease negative number the clip's overall volume. This is great for setting a consistent starting level for multiple clips. Effects Controls panel. Select an audio clip. Go to the Effects Controls panel window, Effects Controls. Under Audio Effects, expand the volume property. You'll see Level. You can type in a specific dB value or drag the slider. Audio Transitions Effects panel. Go to the Effects panel window, Effects. Navigate to Audio Transitions Crossfade. The most common ones are Constant Power, generally the smoothest and most common for music. Constant Gain can sound a bit more abrupt, sometimes used for dialogue. Exponential Fade decreases volume slowly at first, then more quickly. Drag one of these transitions to the beginning or end of your audio clip or between two clips for a crossfade. We can then drag the edges of the transition on the timeline to adjust its duration. Keyframes Manual Fades. This gives you the most precise control. Right-click on an audio clip in the timeline and go to Show Clip Keyframes Volume Level. You'll see the volume line again. Using the Pen tool P, click on the volume line to add keyframes, small circles. Add a keyframe where you want the fade to start and another where you want it to end. Then, drag the keyframe S to adjust the volume at specific points, creating custom fade curves. Cutting and trimming audio. Razor tool and selection tool is the most tool used to cutting and trimming audio. The usage is like cutting and trimming of the video, as we see before. Organizing audio tracks. Use separate audio tracks for different types of sound, for example, a 1 for dialogue, a 2 for music, a 3 for sound effects. This makes it much easier to manage and mix your audio. You can mute M or solo S individual tracks in the Audio Track Mixer window, Audio Track Mixer, or directly on the timeline track header to isolate sounds for editing. Basic Noise Reduction Essential Sound Panel. Premiere Pro has a fantastic Essential Sound Panel window, Essential Sound, that simplifies common audio tasks. Select an audio clip, especially dialogue, in the Essential Sound panel. Choose the appropriate audio type, for example, dialogue, music. Basic Noise Reduction Essential Sound Panel. Premiere Pro has a fantastic Essential Sound Panel window, Essential Sound, that simplifies common audio tasks. Select an audio clip, especially dialogue, in the Essential Sound panel. Choose the appropriate audio type, for example, dialogue, music. Expand the Repair section. Here you can find basic controls for reduce noise, useful for consistent background hum or hiss. Reduce rumble, for low-frequency noises like traffic or air conditioning. Reduce the reverb, to lessen room echo. Experiment with the sliders, but use these sparingly, as over-applying can make audio sound unnatural. To adjust audio volume, click on the audio clip. Drag the white line up or down to increase or lower volume. You can also right-click Audio Gain for more control. We'll cover detailed sound editing in a later episode, but this is great for balancing your music and dialogue for now. And that's it for audio basics in Premiere Pro. You've learned how to add sound, adjust volume, fade, balance music and voice, and fix loud audio. In episode 4, we'll explore video transitions and visual effects, so stay tuned. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop any audio questions in the comments, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.